Okay, so I'm gonna use this old PVC pipe for a DIY chicken waterer. It's got a little 90-degree elbow and a cap, so no mosquitoes can get in there. And then I'm going to put this removable plug at this end so I can flush it out. And I have these vertical chicken nipple waters. I'm gonna drill holes in the bottom. It says drill a 3/8 hole in your desired water source and screw in the nipple. So should be pretty easy. And that'll be just an extra water because this thing is bone dry, and we've been giving them this like once or twice a day. So I'm gonna fill this thing up with a 5-gallon bucket, just for extra source of water. And then I've got a bell water coming too for this. And just harvest some rainwater too. And now I have to find a 3/8 drill bit. Which is not going to be that easy because I give our kids full reign of all the tools. There's an upside to that, but the downside is we get everything mixed up, scattered through the yard, you know, all that stuff. But hey, that's life. Okay, there's none in there. I'll check here first. This is supposed to be my tool bag that nobody gets in, but there's evidence of everybody being in it. It's alright. Well, here's 3/8. Please, one of you guys hold the camera for a minute, please. All right, thanks. You're the best. Quest is the best. I'm gonna tell you right now. This guy, I know he's wanting to ride a scooter right now, but
I can, Daddy.
okay. Well, do you want to trade him?
Yeah.
All right, go ride that scooter. Okay. Here, just watch Daddy while I do this. Can you see me real good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna put one here. Okay. Tap it once and it'll come back on. Okay, that's the third hole, and we'll do number 4 right here. We'll add some more later if we need to.
We need some right there too.
channel locks to get it the rest of the way tight. You don't want to over tighten them though, because then it'll mess it up and then the things will leak. And then when we fill it up with water, we'll test it.
Daddy, look at that.
Oh, the rabbit. You want to go film him? Oh, nice bunny. You love your bunny rabbits? They're pretty awesome. They just hang out with the chickens all day. In there, okay? You see me? Okay, we're gonna put this plug in the end of this pipe now. There's a little bit of dirt in there.
Yeah, that's okay.
Gonna put this in there. Make sure it's in there even on both sides so it's not sideways. And then I'll tighten this up a little bit. And then use the channel locks to tighten it the rest of the way. So it's gonna hold all the water. Later on we'll go to the store and we'll get straps to hang it on the wall too.
Yeah, today. I got straps. Yeah, that's better.
Those crates are just temporary. We're gonna hang it on the wall here in a minute, but it's looking pretty good so far.
Do you want? Yeah. What's stupid? Yeah, that's a little. It makes holes. Yeah.
And there we go. It doesn't quite hold 7 gallons, but it's about 7 gallons. It's okay. Oh, the little babies will get it. Oh, we figured it out. So a couple of the nipples are leaking, and that 90-degree down there, because I didn't glue it yet, but it's working pretty good. The little chicks figured it out, so now the other chickens are gonna watch them and they'll figure it out too.